I had the biggest crush on Zach Morris. Hey everyone, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Carol and I do a lot of stuff. I do a lot of videos on all kinds of stuff. Today, I got this giant box and I thought I'd open it for you guys. This is from Goliath Games. They messaged me on Twitter, Instagram, I can't remember, and asked me if I wanted to get a box of stuff, and I was like, sure. I'm sure the kids would love it. I don't know what's in here. It feels very heavy. It's like 20 pounds or so, and so I thought I would just open it and just see what's inside. As a blogger and social media person, I tend to get a lot of stuff just kind of, sorry about that, it's kind of randomly sent to me. So this is one of those things. So we have paper. Oh, what? I gotta show you guys everything that's in here. They packed this full of games. So we're gonna go through them one by one, and if you're interested in any of them, I will have a link below on where to find them. These are all from Pressman, like I said, Goliath Games, and I believe that they work with Pressman Toys. Legends of the Hidden Temple game. This one looks like it is available only at Target. Choices are yours based on the hit TV show. How cool. That looks fun. Oh, where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? That will be super fun. This is also only at Target. I wonder if that's the theme, if it's everything is just only at Target. Ooh, Harry Potter. Who are my Harry Potter fans out there? I just went to Wizarding World at Harry Potter Universal Orlando, and it was so much fun. I loved it. It looks like it's kind of a variation of Sorry, but that looks super fun. I can't wait to play it. I feel like they've been stalking my Twitter or my Instagram or something, because I just tweeted something about Saved by the Bell. I had the biggest crush on Zach Morris, but who didn't? I wonder if this is the same one that was out when the show was really popular. Oh, and again, it's only at Target. I dropped the box. Not only at Target, Photo Pearls. This looks fun and quite messy. I'm gonna keep this away from my daughter. I'm gonna do this one myself. And you can make a picture with it. Paint Station. Turn the world of paint upside down. Oh, this looks fun. It's just like a little easel, and it's got all sorts of paints and whatnot on it. And my daughter loves to draw and paint and make big messes like I did when I was little, and I still do, but now it's with makeup. Googly Eyes, a family game of wacky vision. All right. Be the first to draw your team to the finish. Not only at Target, looks like you can get this pretty much anywhere. And then we have one more. We have the Oregon Trail. I have a feeling they sent this to me because I do live in Oregon. I live in Portland. I don't know if anybody out there remembers the Oregon Trail video game. It seemed like every time you play it, you got dysentery and you died. Hopefully I won't get dysentery and die. Anyways, that is it. Stay tuned for more good stuff on my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit the notifications so that you know when I upload. And I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.